Split string based on regex. What is the best way to split a string like hello there how are you by uppercase words in Python? So I'd end up with an array like such, results equals, hello there, how are you? Edit. I have tried. It doesn't seem to work, though.
I suggest check this demo.
You could use a look ahead. This will split at every space that is followed by a string of uppercase letters which end in a word boundary. Note that the square brackets are only for readability and could as well be omitted. If it is enough that the first letter of a word is uppercase, so if you would want to split in front of hello as well, it gets even easier. Now this splits at every space followed by any uppercase letter.